Excellence. Excellence is not a big leap. Excellence is not a big leap. It is the result of small, detailed efforts done with precision. Today, I want to talk about something really small, something the most people ignore, the small change. The small change that may seem insignificant, but believe me, in both science and life, these small changes can either ruin or transform everything. Let us take a look at a cream formulation. A simple, silky, smooth cream just formed by adding heated aqueous phase, heating oil phase, and an emulsifier? No. As someone who has tried this at home, I'll say no. It is not that simple. I still remember the day when my first emulsion failed. I took the heated aqueous phase, I took the heated oil phase, added an emulsifier, and I was really excited for the results. But nothing happened. Why? Because I ignored the details, the timings, the temperature. That day I learned something really powerful. Nature respects precision. Nature respects precision. It does not adjust for our carelessness. If we take a look at cream's pH, just feel it. A slight change in pH and the cream that was meant to protect our skin will now cause a harm. A slight change and the results will be drastic. Now, think carefully. If a small change in temperature can break an emulsion, what can a one careless habit do to your future? If a small change in pH can disturb the skin, what can one negative thought do to your confidence? In reality, we underestimate the small changes. But believe me, both success and failure are not dramatic events. They are the result of consequences of small, repeated actions. As stable cream is not a luck, it is correct percentage, correct timing, correct temperature, and most importantly, patience. A stable lifestyle is not a luck either. It is correct decision, correct mindset, correct habits, and most importantly, patience. So today, I want all of you to remember one thing. Never underestimate the power of small changes. Accept the change, accept the corrections. Remember, if a small undesirable change can ruin the things, a one small transformation can also make the things. 1 degree more confidence, 1 degree more patience, 1 degree more self-control, and that 1 degree will take you from ordinary to exceptional. So, never underestimate the small changes because the biggest breakthroughs are always accompanied by the small steps, the small corrections. Thank you.